welcome back to my channel. First of all, I need to thank you all for all your support during the year on my YouTube channel. So I cannot really even imagine that I've been on YouTube for 1 year today, and I'm really super grateful for all your support and subscribes and like, comments and everything. So thank you so much for all your support and for all the love that you show me here. So today I've been on YouTube for 1 year and today is my birthday as well. So wish me a happy birthday. So in today's video I have decided to play again with some acrylic pouring and have some fun with it with my Zentangle style to see if it will work or it will look good together, or I don't know how it's going to be, but I just wanted to make something new and different from what I usually do. So I think that it will look really good. So actually I have planned for everything a couple days before I have started this work, and I was thinking of every single thing to about this work, and I was 100% sure that I won't face any trouble and it will be really easy and fun to make it. But actually my idea was to make a rainbow sky with a Zentangle mountain, and I was like 100% sure it's gonna really look very good and it's really gonna be really beautiful. But what actually happened was really super far from what I have planned or have even imagined it. So I have started to mix the color randomly and very stupidly actually, and everything was so far from what I have even planned to, and the rainbow sky become a very mess color palette. It was really super hard to make a rainbow sky for me, and it's make a really huge mess in all over my room. So after I left it about a couple of days to dry completely, I have decided to complete it and finish it and do whatever my mind was planned to. So I decided to complete it and add my Zentangle touches in it and see whether it's gonna look good or not. I was completely confused and don't know what I'm doing, but I was like, okay, what will happen if I finish it? Let's finish it and see whether it's gonna look good or not, whether I'm gonna like it or not. So I don't know. I just decided, okay, let's give it a try. Let's give it a one more chance actually. So actually I have tried this acrylic pouring with my Zentangle touches about 2 to 3 years ago, and it was completely far from what I have did today, because the last time I did it, it was with a different technique. I have tried it with a different technique from what I have did today, because that time I just mix all the colors together in one cup and then pour the cup on the pour the acrylic pouring the acrylic colors on the cup on the canvas. So it was totally far from what I have did today, because I was 100% sure that if I did the same technique for this piece, it won't be same as what I want, as all the rainbow colors won't be good together in one cup. So I said, okay, let's try it with a different technique and see if it will look good or not. So and the result is what you see. It's totally far from what I have even planned to, and even the colors were so much different from what I really want. So actually I want them to be a rainbow sky with mountains, so it's gonna be really vibrant and really cool to look at it in your home or something like that. But actually what is happening is totally far from what I have planned to, and the colors look more like a volcano, if I can say. So I really have no idea about it and I really have no feeling. So for that, I'm leaving this piece for you. I want you to tell me your thought about it and let me know, how do you think about the acrylic pouring side, and I really want to know How do you think about this piece? So thank you so much for watching, and I really hope to see you soon on my next video, and I hope it will be very very soon. Again, I really appreciate all your love and support during this year. So I really love you all so so much, and hope to see you soon. Bye.